Umndeni uthi awududuzeki kuze kube yimanje kanti ufuna ubulungiswa. Uthi usola inyuvesi iWalter Sisulu ngokugodla umfanekiso we-CCTV.
The families are not coping at all. We are just taking it one day at a time because beginning of the commission, let's start there. The day we were shown footage, the mother of the late Sisonke could not watch it. She had to be taken to the doctor because she had seen how he was shot and how, what doesn't make sense is how peaceful they were walking to that dress manager's place. The only thing that's holding the investigating officers and the state is the video footage that WUSU does not permit them to use.
Kusenjalo kuqalile ukuqulwa kwecala labayisithupha abasolwa ngokubulala abantu abayi-19 elusikisiki nakwaBhaca eEastern Cape ngo-2024. Labasolwa sebebonke babhekene namacala angama-29 okubala kuwo awokuthumba, ukuphanga kuhlonyiwe kanye nokubulala.
Babulala uNokhaya Dukuza, umuntu ongumama osele emdala ukuthi bamdubule ngemiphu okanye ngezibhamu.
Umbuso uphakamise ukuthi labasolwa kufanele bajeziswe ngokufanele njengoba lokhu kubulala kwakuhleliwe.
Ulamatyala ayi-19 okubulala. Icela kusetyenziswe umthetho omthile ngokwamacala ngokomthetho wamatyala olwaphulomthetho. Kuba kaloku abafi aba ukubulawa kwabafi obayi-19 yinto eyayiqulunqiwe okanye into eyayiplaniwe.
Ummangalelwa wokuqala umzukisi Ndamase uthi kunokuphambana phakathi kwamacala afundelwe wona nohlulwa amacala anikwa lona.
Ngiyaqonda bathetha uthini kodwa nengxaki i-charge sheet le ndayinikwayo lapha kumayifani naleso sisomfundelayo.
Ukuqulwa kwaleli cala kuyaqhubeka.